Hello, my name is Mark Smith, and I'm going to go through the steps you need to test the current monitor gain using the A2-154 test jig and a audio precision or some other audio analyzer or some sort of function generator. So let me show you the test setup. I'm using a webcam here to do this. And you can see right here, I have our test jig. It's right here. I have an A2-154 amplifier located right there. I have my audio analyzer right here. In this case, I'm using a D-Scope Prism Sound D-Scope 3, but you can use an audio precision, no problem, right there. And then here's my computer monitor. Now on the computer monitor, I have two things going. I have my D-Scope software. In your case, it's probably the audio precision software would be in the background. And then I have my test jig software running right here. Okay, so to run this test, what you're going to simply do is you're going to make sure that the power light switch is on, the high current switch is on, and the overcurrent load switch is on right here. And you can do it through, you can turn all those on here. Another simple way to do is to use the software. And if you notice on the software, it's difficult to see on this scope, but there are 4 buttons here on the software which represents the 4 buttons, 4 switches that we have located right there. So I am, in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use the buttons on the software. So I'm going to enable the supply, and I'm going to turn on the high current, and I'm going to turn on the overcurrent load. And you'll notice when I do that, all these lights should be green, this LED should be green, and this LED should be green. And it's difficult to see with this webcam that they are. Now I'm going to send in a 0.1 volt signal into the amplifier with the audio precision. Okay, and I'm going to run it at 70 Hertz. Make sure that's a 70 Hertz signal. And then I'm going to read the voltage that is showing up right here. And that's what we're trying to read at this point. And that should be within the range that is identified in the specifications. Next you're going to go and do the same thing at 5 kilohertz, and then you're going to read the voltage that's located right here. And this will give us the gain that's going on in the amplifiers. So hopefully that is, I hope that's clear. If there's any questions, please give me an email or let me know.